Yeah. Just cause I don't say anything doesn't mean I don't see it. It's funny how they act now. Yeah. It's funny how they change up quick. It's funny how they act now.
Boy, out here putting that wing today. Repping that TG gang. Fucking too good. Out here with the boy Mike.
Too good.
You don't got a TG? Sure, you got a little Starburst. Starbucks. This is the wing we're gonna put on today.
You're a barista for hire, doing your local decal work.
Yep. Got the 3M tape, put the baby on. Taking off the old one because bought this used, but used is good because you gotta work on it, boy.
One man's trash, another man's treasure.
There you go.
For fuck sure.
So I thought I was gonna have rubbing alcohol, but I didn't. So
Some tequila.
fuck it. It's gonna be do it yourself, fucking Mexican version, pretty much.
DIY.
DIY, do it yourself. Fucking God, this shit's gonna change with this 3M tape and everything.
I suspect with this spoiler, you will go 20 miles faster.
Plus 10 horsepower.
Yeah, dude, it's gonna add like 300 to the torque.
Showery torquey, dog, but it's gonna be good. Just getting it prepped, taking off the old tape right now.
I mean,
And
you know, you can tell everybody that you have a nitrous tank in your car. You don't have to lie
Oh,
anymore.
yeah. Well, my actual like nitrous stuff is these Spawn stickers right here. These Spawn Squad stickers at 5. So like with that, that's another 10. So I'm gonna go hella fast.
You are. Dude, we gotta get some flame decals on the front.
Oh, boy, hot boy.
That's gotta add at least another 5 miles,
Yeah.
man.
But yeah, we gotta get this fucking tape off right here.
Well, you know this shit's gonna stick to your car.
Yeah. Cause this is the old tape here. So you gotta just rip it off. I would. You know what? I'll be back. I'm gonna get a knife.
An ETH?
It would be easier to do like that. Knife, knife. Alright, I'll be right back.
Okay, that's a knife. Rule safety tip 101. Do not cut towards you. I'm gonna do it right now, but that's because I'm a trained dumbass.
Boy, you about to see some shit bleed.
Psych!
So we got all the masking tape off, or all the 3M tape from the old guy, the old owner. Now we're just gonna clean it off with some tequila, aka rubbing alcohol, cause fuck it.
Actually, what we're really gonna do is show you how to make Molotov cocktails. No.
We're out here about to get turned. Where everybody at though?
Yeah. Let's see this. Ooh, that smells clean.
Smells like my weekends.
Dude, this smells like every party I've ever been to.
You just want to make sure, dude, with rubbing alcohol.
Smells like regret.
You really want rubbing alcohol, but any alcohol do it. I was about to use nail polish, but I don't trust myself with that shit.
Yeah, that's not good because
No.
it would probably remove some paint.
Yeah, too much paint. All you want is a wax to be removed from your paint, just so the M tape can stick on there pretty heavy, and so your wang don't come off.
Yeah, you wang.
The big wang.
Yeah, there's some hardcore tequila drinkers watching this right now. Like, how could you?
Fucking alcoholics, aka everybody I know. Psych. Fucking. Oh man. Alright. So the next thing here, we got a 3M tape. I'm probably gonna get some other tape so you can lay out where it's gonna go. 'Cause it's gonna be pretty hard to put it on, take it off and center it, everything like that. So show you guys the next thing when we do this. Wash your car, do all that stuff, prep it so it's clean, no dumb shit on there. All the stuff that's on my car already is probably scratched. This paint is a little bit fucked up, but I washed the car first, Damn, she clean. She look clean. She look clean.
She ain't clean, but she about to get so dirty.
She about to look dirty as fuck with this wing, boy. So now, Michael here is wiping down the section where the wing's gonna go using that alcohol.
I don't know what cat you got around here, but you gotta tell it to stop coming on your car.
Bro, there's hella nasty cars. Hella nasty cats around where I live. Oh, safe. Whew. If you can smell this towel, smells like pure tequila. Tequilisi tequila. There's prep. Oi, we back.
I'm gonna cut.
So
This tape.
no tijeras, but we got box cutters and a chair so we can work on it. Cause don't put it on the car.
Cha boy. Cha boy.
Boy needs a
Cha
Jewel
boy.
hit real quick.
Yeah.
Sponsor me, Jewel. Pods.
Yeah, Joel.
That face though was like, what? Fucking A for the boys.
The boys.
Didn't even
I
get
heard
it.
that. You hear that? Congratulations.
Boy. Alright. So with this 3M tape here, you want to cut it precisely to it and not overlap anything. So he's gonna cut the sides first. There. Your boy Mello with the mic. Call him Mike on the bike.
Always riding my trike. No.
Nah, dog.
I don't have a trike.
I know someone that does. My boy Nate.
I don't fuck with trikes. I don't fuck with
Shout
trikes.
out to Nate for having a trike. Hit him up. He rents it out for the beach. It's like. So what Mike did here in the end is cut this in an angle to cover most of the fucking thing, most of the surface. And I personally didn't think of that. I would have just fucking put that bitch on there.
Can't let it overlap.
There's OCD over here. Boy's got OCD, boy.
OCD and that THC.
Damn, this is precise as fuck, dog. That's just like, you won't be able to see this for days. Next time this shit's gonna come off is when that baby over there gets a ramp. But who knows when it's gonna get ramped, because them boys need the funds. What you wanna do is not put it in the corner. Pretty much like the tip of it so it doesn't show. So you have a clean look.
And when you're applying the tape, make sure you do it little by little as you go along, so you don't just lay it down and have to relay it down.
Yeah, you wanna. We'll show you how to lay it out and all the process and stuff. Cause this is a DIY, doing it yourself only. Like J. Cole said, for your eyes only. Get that angle.
And if you can't use one of these, ask your parents.
Yeah.
And if your parents won't do it, just put on a helmet.
Well, I don't think you should be asking your parents if you're doing this. if you're doing this, you gotta ask your parents. You probably not your car.
Yeah.
Probably not. Probably
And
not your car.
if you stole it, give it back. Someone worked real hard to get that.
You gotta fuck that shit up. So don't do it. Cause we out here just trying to have a bang wang.
What is
But
what is that lady selling on that car?
Oh boy, what do you think, boy? What do you think she's selling?
Is that what I think it is?
She's got them elotes, dog.
And I got no motherfucking cash.
Bro, I got $2.
How much are they?
They're like, I don't know. It might be like $1 something.
You should totally go get us some real quick.
Bro, if you want, yeah.
Snack break?
There you go, dog. If anything, I'm probably gonna buy Mike an elote, cause he's been craving them for a minute. And
I'm really white, as you can tell.
nah, you can't tell.
But I love Mexican food.
Nah, bro, you're Mexican, bro. The king carrot makes you Mexican.
Pan.
Pan. Way better job than what I would have done. So this is good. You don't want to have the tape on here, or else it'll show when you put it on. And as you can see, we cleaned up most of it in the old tape. And damn, boy, look at that cut.
Straight line, boy.
Damn, we out here cooking. Oh, show you guys the view real quick, cause damn, we're out here living. Can't get better than that. Mike, got Mike the Salote, boy, cause he's out here doing my shit. The lady was about to leave, so I had to hop on it. I was over there doing my shit. Stoked on this shit. Mike.
Oh, your boy coming through.
Nah, this boy over here coming through doing this shit.
Alright, hold on. I'm so happy. It's so warm.
Oh. Bro, this video here should just be called "White People Eating Mexican Food."
Yeah. But you sure as fuck ain't getting me eating this on camera because this is a mess.
Yeah, he's gonna be messy as fuck.
Yeah, no, we ain't getting that on camera.
So like, I guess I'll take over for right now and put this on. This part's pretty easy. I'll do it probably perfect, so I'll be back, guys. So here's my job, the bottom one. Look at that cut, boy.
Where's the top and sides?
Top size, bottom size, upside down, same shit. I did that side. Your boy's the man.
Is this the one with the alcohol in it?
Yeah, that's the one with the alcohol in it, boy. Look at that. Let me see that corn real quick, dog. It's gone. What corn? It's over.
Delish.
All right.
Trash?
Trash? Just put it right there for now. So let's get this baby on, get the shit in place.
Oh, I'm energized now.
Let's just, so first before we put it on, let's rub it one more time with alcohol. Get that shit up in the bottle. Alright, there's plenty enough. That shit smells.
Yeah.
So rub it one more time where it's in a place.
First rule of stickers, you always need a super dry surface or it ain't sticking to shit.
Yeah. So that's what we did with the alcohol. Took off the wax from the car pretty much.
And it's getting cold out here, so the fucking condensation is getting strong with the car.
So yeah.
I'm trying to
so you
warm
can
up
see
the hood now.
you can see this right here. We now the lights on, so it's dark. The boy's dark. You need some light, boy. It's bright.
Warm this area up.
We'll clean that off. Yeah, that thing's dirty. I haven't cleaned it at all. I washed my car and I wasn't gonna clean that. I should have cleaned that before. I didn't. That's probably the dirt from
I can just see it hard in the reflection.
Lay down. Oh, that little preview right there.
Perfect.
So what he's gonna do is peel a little bit on the side over there. A little DIY. So error made. First we gotta apply the bottom side first, because last time that shit wasn't even touching the surface. So we're retaping this. Hey, we all make mistakes. Shit happens. So we got the tape put on. I'm pretty sure we're gonna get it on this try. So we don't, I gotta buy a whole new fucking roll right there because that shit's almost gone. So let's get it this try. Slap this baby on. So we got all the fucking tape on again and everything. We're gonna blowtorch this baby so it sticks on. We have one try probably this time because it's cold now. And fuck it. So let's get it. Mike here has wrapped cars before, so he kind of knows what he's doing. That's why your boy got him here. And let's get it on. Since this is so delicate, I'm not going to show you guys because I showed you the other time when we fucked up. So I'll put the camera down and we're going to get this done. So it's late already.
Hey, yeah!
Bottom's done. And that's probably was the hardest part, where I should have said that we should have done the bottom.
Gotta work from the bottom to the top. Hey.
And then you can always force the top on, because there's more surface on the top. At the bottom we fucked up where there wasn't that much surface and it wasn't touching the actual trunk. So damn, boy. And this probably isn't gonna come off because we heated up the tape and it's cold outside. You can see a little frost right here, boy. Hey.
Oh shit, that's right. I forget.
My damn, boy. Big WANG gang. Oh my god. I'm gonna pull this shit a little bit back so it's more in the light. You guys can see. But
she just wanna get me on my way, she don't wanna love, she wanna pay cut. Love it when I fuck her with a face up. She just wanna be here with my cake up. Walk up in the building, I'm the man. Poppin' perkies and we poppin' rubber bands.
boy, did the wing, got the muffler. Shout out to Tay for that Too Good shirt. Boy, hit him up on IG. Put it right here somewhere. You already know.
She don't wanna love, she wanna pay cut.